The $50 Wyze Cam Outdoor is by far the cheapest outdoor security camera I've ever tested. So today I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use Wyze's battery-powered outdoor camera and help you decide whether or not you should buy it. When Wyze was founded in 2017, there weren't very many affordable home security cameras that also performed well and had a long list of features. But this startup continues to deliver, and this $50 starter bundle is no exception. Out of the box, you get the camera itself, complete with mounting hardware and a charging cable. You also get a base station with a power cable, as well as an Ethernet cord that has to be connected to your router. You do need this base station for your camera to work. To set up your camera, download the Wyze app, select Add Device, and then select Wyze Cam Outdoor. The app will prompt you to connect the base station first, which should only take a couple of minutes before you move on to the camera. Make sure your camera is near your base station and your router, and turn the power switch on the back of the camera to on. When the status light turns solid yellow, hit the sync button on the bottom of the camera and you'll hear, "Pairing is in progress, please wait." Once it connects, that's basically it. You're done. From start to finish, this process took me less than 10 minutes, which is incredible, but factor in more time if your camera happens to arrive with a drained battery or if you plan to do a more permanent installation. Now that your camera is set up where you want it, it's time to talk about what this camera can actually do. If you already have a $20 Wyze Cam or the $30 Wyze Cam Pan, expect similar specs and features. With your Wyze Cam Outdoor, you get 1080p HD live streaming, motion detection, a customizable motion detection zone, night vision, two-way audio, a built-in micro SD card slot, free 14-day cloud storage, time lapses, and support for Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The main differences between this camera and Wyze's other models is its weatherproof housing, built-in rechargeable battery, and a feature called travel mode. The battery is supposed to last between 3 to 6 months on a single charge, but unfortunately it doesn't have a removable battery. That means you'll have to bring the whole camera inside every time you need to charge it, which is pretty inconvenient, especially if you do go with that more permanent installation and it's along a fence line or up in a tree or somewhere else that's difficult to get to. It's also annoying just because there will be a gap of time where the camera isn't recording what you want it to. Travel mode is an option that essentially turns your Wyze Cam Outdoor into an action cam. So if you go camping or otherwise just want to use your camera outside of the base station and your home's Wi-Fi range, you can use a micro SD card to record motion clips and time-lapse videos. It isn't going to deliver the same quality as a GoPro, but it's a fun option that isn't available with Wyze's other security cameras. Otherwise, this camera works the same as the others. You get quick motion alerts and can view saved clips for free in the app's events tab. The app displays how much battery life your camera has left, so you have a heads up before your camera dies. Overall, the Wyze Cam Outdoor is a really good camera that takes the best parts of Wyze's existing cameras and puts them in a weatherproof, battery-powered camera. I don't like that you can't remove the battery to charge it, but for 50 bucks, I'm not really mad about it. The 2 weeks of free cloud storage and built-in micro SD card slot give this cheap camera even more value. And the addition of features like time lapses and travel mode make the Wyze Cam Outdoor even more compelling. Definitely consider it if you're looking for an affordable outdoor camera that's easy to set up and even easier to use. Thanks for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.